Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to put Linktree on Instagram. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add your Linktree link to Instagram, follow these steps. First, set up your Linktree account. Open your web browser and go to Linktree's website. Sign up or log in to create and manage your links. Once done, copy your unique Linktree URL, something like Linktree, your username. Now, let us go ahead and add Linktree to your Instagram bio. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile icon. Tap Edit Profile. Now, tap Add Link and tap External Link. In the website field, paste your Linktree and name it. Tap the check mark or save at the top right to save your changes. Now, your Linktree link is live on your Instagram profile, ready for followers to click. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.